Casey, how you feeling?
Feeling great, my friend.
Oh, that's good. That sounds good.
Yeah. May need some space here. Good, good, good.
Okay.
That was the one.
Yeah.
You want to start off?
I was like struggling to be 30.
You're good. You can stay over here. Yeah. Here, Kathy. You can pull this way. Yeah. I'll run that way. 07?
Standing at the setting.
When you're out.
Go, go, go,
Go,
go.
go, 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 go.
Nice play, boys and girls.
Thank you.
All right, I know how to make Mike Ford play better.
Record him.
That's great, Mr. Clean.
3-4. 3-4. I know. Blind is why I cut. I'm just getting blinded by the sun.
You got cut up. What happened to you?
Shark, man.
Oh.
Shark on the sideline. Hi. Happy Halloween.
Mike, what's your strategy over there on that side? Megan, just serve it towards Mike, back left corner.
Go, go, go. One up. Come on!
Yeah.
Watch the 3.2, guys. Go short. Come on! I got it. It's over. Come on. Come on. Hit that.
Got you.
There it is. Nobody! Come on, this.
High line, high line.
There it is. Eddie! Boy, big fella, huh?
Higher line, higher line.
Sorry.
Well, welcome.
Who we got? 35. Great serve.
We got Mike Ford on the right. Let's see what he can do. Let's see if he gets a set. He doesn't again. All right.
Here.
Here we go. Let's see if Mike can do now. Nope, they don't go to Mike again.
Nice swing. Huh? A drink? A drink?
No, it takes.
You got a nick on that? 4-5.
Nice, Mike. Come on.
Go.
Nice play, Mike. I got it. It's okay. You could swear. Swear to the camera.
That's my fault, you guys.
Who served that? We did, right?
Greg served
I did.
and
That's what I
blocked.
thought.
Yeah.
I know you ran up, that's why it was impressive, but I like your win.
What?
You hearing what I'm saying over there?
No, I didn't hear it.
Very shiny.
Oh yeah, shinies. Oh.
Monty, say hello to your fans.
Okay.
5.
Huh, sweetheart? Oh, I love her collar.
Of course you do.
She's very bougie.
That's my dog. We live in New York. She has her chickens.
What's the score, guys? 6-0.
Yeah. Go get him. No. Help. Yeah, there we go. Let's push a couple points now. Let's push a couple points for the playoffs, huh? Woo! Good serve. We got 7. Let's see if we can get a little bit more. See what happens. Let's try it out, right? Nice switch you guys made. Perfect time.
Hippie.
Let's go to the potty.
That's over! One up. Come on. I got it. Knock out! One up. No way! Hit! Dale. Shot! Yeah! There we go, huh? All right, who's that? What number? 9-0. Is that you, Mike? Same D, huh?
An ace. And an ace. I think we're catching up on the aces.
Doing it.
How do you feel about your performance?
Oh, it's coming along. It's coming along.
Drink in a minute, Mike.
I know.
Right? You think you're right?
Pull this off. All right. What do you think, Dale? Jumpy? Put some pressure on him?
You're gonna do it serve middle, so you have more room to make a mistake everywhere. Just right in the middle,
Or
three
flip.
quarter. Maybe you'll get a drop ball, divers.
All right, 9-0?
Go, buddy.
Oh! Nobody! There it is! Let's go! Hey, let's see what we got going. They haven't figured it out yet. They got one ball here, okay? I got them.
Ready.
Depends on where I see the blocker.
You got it. I'll talk with you.
9-0. Trouble.
Hang up.
Drink up.
Get right.
It's all good.
Yeah, someone should be in every corner.
Mike, why are you drinking your beer right in the middle of the game?
We got aced, man.
What happened there, buddy?
I think we're losing that part of the game. Like 9-3. 9-3, we're down ace.
I think you're doing fine. Let's go, Megan.
Go. There it is.
Journalist guy.
Did you see Mike's last play?
Yeah, I saw.
He's so great, isn't he?
Yeah. I am here.
Let's look at your tattoo while we're waiting for them to play again.
My tattoo is a
Oh, it's like
it's
a
a Japanese flower.
Japanese flower.
Yes.
That makes sense because you're from. Oh, you're not from Japan.
Yeah, almost there. Super near.
All right, let's see what they got. They take so long, they waste all my film. Oh, they won. Sore winners. Oh, now I have to go play. These
Are you
guys,
playing?
these guys are good. At least they touched it. Yes. No way. Come on, Brandon.
Go. Come on.
In.
fifth inning, huh?
That's the option.
See that? That's 9.
Hey, come on, let's go.
That's 8.
Great pickup, Corey.
Go, go.
Dale. Line over.
Go. Right here.
Go. Give him one.
Go.
One up. Nice. Hey, that's
I
2.
totally forgot I was
That's
setting.
2.
You
Wow.
handled it really well.
How'd you guys do? Did you guys grab that W?
11-9 we lost. I know. Fucking incredible. We played tough though. I played good.
I don't know. I got your hit on film, dude. Nice, solid one. Right at Maryland.
Volleyball. You got me playing.
We got one! 9-2. Sweet!
9-2.
Yeah, great! Yeah!
Bumper. Go. In the middle.
One!
Go.
Yeah! Nice job. Thanks, man. Good job. Yes, what a- oh! We don't want to give up!
Oh, you know, deep dish.
Monty, don't even go anywhere. Nice, Brandon. Ace.
Hey. Okay.
I saw her. Let's go, Michelle.
Hey, James. Does Montana have an Instagram?
Yeah, it's mine. Oh, she hates skateboards. Ah. Drinky drink.
That was an ace.
You lush.
Brandon,
Just
I got
following the
highlight
rules.
reel for you, though.
Hey, Eric.
I'm going straight to better at
You
beach.
gotta get a trash can and put her up on that top ref part.
Trash
And then
can.
put her, huh? Right, Mike?
It's like you'll be sitting there talking to a girl all by yourself, and then Eric will come up and just grab her, like try to grab her number right out from under you. Every time.
It couldn't be more further
Penalty
from the
flag,
truth.
Penalty flag. Penalty flag.
Oh!
Touch it!
Oh!
It's my favorite part, watching Michelle get drunk.
Woo! At least the guy on my team was drinking tequila because he didn't know there were
Ooh.
beers.
I know, I saw that.
We have plenty of beers.
He's like, I have to take a shot every time.
Michelle has
Brad.
Michelle's in a burrito, but she's growing wings.
Oh.
Your girlfriend while you're here visiting?
Put it on the highlights.
So forced.
Got it.
Better at Beach Love Channel. Gets rid of any fat you have. That's all HGH. Oh!
He loves that quick set, huh?
Yeah.
All about it.
I was trying to set up, trying to get from Brandon.
Yeah.
Oh!
Start the bus. Start the bus. Start the bus.
How do you respond to that?
I know, right?
How do you respond to that?
It is.
That's like at least 2
Here
points.
comes an ace. Right down the piper.
Right down the pipe.
Oh, there we go! Oh!
Too fast with those shorts on.
Yup, those shorts are a little too aerodynamic.
A little too fast, gotta recalibrate.
It was a great haircut. Hey, you want to get me a refill?
She's been coming over here a lot.
Wait, where do you have White Claw somewhere? Over at your
I'll take a
tent?
Miller Lite. They have
How about a Bud? How about a Bud Light?
Yeah, that would be.
Oh.
Oh, I missed that. Missed it. That's Brandon's serve. It's coming down, and he killed his teammate. That was too high, Brandon. You almost killed your teammate. All right, this guy versus Brandon. Let's see who wins the war. And Brandon gets another ace because that's what he does. He even gets a drink because he feels bad about how good he is. Not this time though.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
Brandon Joyner with the swing. He's even having a drink, even though he aced the other team. He's so good.